Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. This is one of my favorite times of the month. It's the first of the month, January 1st actually. Happy New Year. This is the time where I show the Crafty Courtyard kit for the month. I'm super excited about this kit. I love it just like I love every month. We've got something super extra special for you this month. I do want to say, this month is a little different. We have been working on upgrading our software. In doing that, we unfortunately are losing all of our subscribers. If you've been a subscriber to the kit, you're going to have to resubscribe. I apologize about that inconvenience, but sometimes with these software upgrades, things just don't work as you would always like them to be. They're not perfect, but we're working on getting a better system for you guys, for us, for everyone. And we hope that you'll roll with us here and just, if you want to continue with your Crafty Courtyard subscription, which I hope most all of you do, that you'll resubscribe on our website, pinkandmaine.com. We'll let everyone know when that is ready to go, and that's when you can subscribe. Now, because of the inconvenience, I wanted to do something for you guys. This is a thank you for being a subscriber, for resubscribing and continuing with your kits. This is a gift package that's going to be in all the January kits when you subscribe. There are 4 gifts in here, and I don't want to show you. I want it to be a surprise, but I can give you a little hint. I know there's an exclusive stamp and coordinating die set in here. And the only way you can get that stamp and die is to resubscribe to the kits, because it's going to only be in this little gift package. And there's a couple other little gifts for you that I hope you love. We hope you all resubscribe and join our Crafty Courtyard. We have lots of fun. There's lots of inspiration on our Facebook page. Let's jump right in and see what's inside this kit. Not the gift bag. Remember, I'm keeping that a secret. It's going to be a surprise gift for you. In your kit, we're going to get a postcard, like always. And once again, you can use it on a project. Don't throw it away. It's good to make a card with or something. It's always nice. It tells you exactly what's going to be in your kit. We have our beautiful color palette here. Look at those beautiful colors. And we tell you where to join our Crafty Courtyard Facebook group, where you can share all the creations that you make with the kit and look at everyone else's as well. You're going to get your 4 ice rink white A2 size envelopes. We have 6 beautiful colors of cardstock. We have the lime green, yellow, teal. There's a lavender there that's got a pretty sheen to it. Hot pink, orange, and 2 sheets of our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. So lots of cardstock to make some cards and other goodies with. You're going to get your 8.5 by 11 zippered project bag. These mesh bags are perfect for keeping things organized or for crafting on the go. I'm gonna get one of those. You're gonna get a full 6 by 6 paper pad. So it's 24 sheets of double-sided paper. Oh, guys, this paper pad, I'm just swooning over it. I think it's gorgeous. I love the colors and the petite flowers. So let's quickly go through the patterns in this. We've got some pretty florals, lavender dots, some little petite flowers, some yellow dots. There's some more little flowers, some teal dots. Oh, I love these yellow and teal flowers. Some orange dots. There's some more little flowers. I love this rainbow type stripe here. We have some more little flowers. There's a bright pink polka dot. Some flowers on a teal background, green dots. Ooh, look at the little white flowers on that pink paper. Here's a fun little triangular pattern with some dots. Some more little petite flowers on orange. A green stripe. It's another pretty floral pattern, a lavender stripe, some teal and green flowers, a yellow stripe. There's some really pretty little flowers on pink with some of that dots in that triangular pattern, and an orange stripe. So there's lots of little florals and then dots and stripes that you can mix and match along with them. I'm sure you're going to create lots of gorgeous cards with this paper pad. We have a beautiful exclusive sequin mix again. The colors coordinate and match with the kit. And we've got some little petite flower sequins mixed in there. Really cute. Oh, we've got gorgeous enamel dots with glitter again. The colors coordinate perfectly with the kit. Everything matches so that you don't have to, we've taken the guesswork out of it for you. You get your 1-inch little collectible button, and it just has some petite flowers on it this time. Really cute. You're going to get a stencil this time. Now, there might be a substitution with the stencil. I apologize. Our manufacturer is running behind, and this is the stencil that I had hoped to go in the kit, but we may have to make a substitution. But you're going to get an awesome stencil no matter what, and you will eventually get this one in another kit if it doesn't make it this month. I have a feeling it will, but just in case, I wanted to make sure you were aware of that. You're going to get a 6x6 embossing folder. I mean, this is really awesome. This is our wide stripe embossing folder. It's brand new. You're the first ones to get it. And it embosses these nice wide stripes. So you'll get some nice stripe texture to your cards. A 6x6 exclusive stamp set. And this one is called All Occasion. So this kit is called the All Occasion kit. And it's just got lots of sentiments, perfect for lots of different occasions. We got congratulations, smile, hello there, wishing you well, thinking of you, thank you from the bottom of my heart, sending hugs, but wishing for a real one soon, happy everything, I'm a better me because of you, just a note, there's no way to happiness, happiness is the way. I cannot imagine a day that I don't think of you. So lots of fun sentiments for your cards. And last but not least, we've got a nice large die set. And I've given you some labels or frame shapes so that you can have something to stamp your sentiments on, as well as you get the word hello and thanks in a fun little script font. Lots of goodies in this January kit, just like always. Thank you for joining me as I walk you through the contents of our January 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. It's a brand new year, and we've got lots of fun things in store for the year. So be sure to head over to pinkandmain.com, click on our subscriptions category, and subscribe to the Crafty Courtyard. We'd love to have you, and we think you'll really enjoy creating with these kits. Thanks again for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Happy New Year again. And until next time, keep living the creative life.